This wasn't supposed to arrive until Thursday. I'm so excited. This looks like a lot more than I thought. When did this go out of focus? Okay. Okay. These are the two new flakies. Silver flaky topper. Bunch of different size flakies in there. And red flaky topper. And it's a red and a clear base. And a silver and a clear base. So those are the two new ones. Then we have, I used some of my loyalty points. To get some bubble wrap to play with. To get another glass file. I have one at work, one in my travel bag, and I want one on my desk. I have been using this one, and it's not as good as this. The HOLO TACO one is a nicer filing experience, as pretty as this is. This is nicer, and because it was with my points, it didn't cost me anything. I like that. Okay, last item that we have here are the big box. The big boxes. We're gonna have up a little here. It's a display rack. I have to put it together. On the side. And another side. Isn't that cool? I don't have any black ones. I only have clear acrylic ones. And then these are so cool. Okay. Let me put this together. Okay, let me turn this overhead light on. Let's see if we can see this a little bit better. All right, it's cool. It's really pretty. It's very sturdy. There are no extra pieces though, the little rivet things. So if one of those breaks, I think that might be a little bit of an issue. But it's pretty solid. Let's see. Bigger than I thought. Will it hold? Oh, see, it holds Morgan Taylor. Sorry. Will it hold a KB Shimmer? Oh, wow. It holds a KB Shimmer. These are fat. That's nice. I really thought that it was only going to hold HOLO TACO bottles. So I thought it was going to be like that much narrower of a shelf. I didn't think it would hold these big ones. Who else is a big bottle? I don't think OPI is any bigger than these. I think these are like the biggest bottles I have. Like fattest. Yeah, so that's nice. Not that it matters, but just curious. So I like it. So now I have to find a place to put these because my HOLO TACO is on the wall. Let's pop that. HOLO TACO is on the wall. It's those and those. And I figure out where to put this stuff. I have boxes and things all over the place. I meant to organize this room this weekend and clean off this desk and everything, and I did not do it. And these were not supposed to come until Thursday. Today is Monday. So I love it. Karen likes it too. It's gorgeous. I love it. I just have to figure out where it's going. I will figure this out. Okay, it holds 45 bottles, 9 across, 5 shelves. I have a unicorn on the top shelf because there's no place else to put him, so I have less than 45 in here. I have all of my cremes and then the magnetic collection. And then I think I'm going to replace this other one. I'm going to put this one somewhere else. But this is the one I normally would buy. So you see how it's like it's 6 shelves instead of 5. And I don't know how many HOLO TACOs it holds, but it is wider. It's about that much wider than the HOLO TACO one. So I can either leave this up here, or I could put a second HOLO TACO shelf up here. And then I'll have to figure out where to put this one because I don't know where it's going to go. But I really like the way that looks. That looks so cool. But it looks cool with the unicorn on. Oh, yeah. That's right. That looks so neat. My pineapple lost its shelf. Figure out where to put that. And I cleared off 2 full shelves and part of another one. So by that logic, 2 full shelves and part of another one, 2 full shelves and part of another one. Yeah, I needed at least 3 more racks to get the whole HOLO TACO collection on these things. What time is it? It's watch time. All right, we have silver flake taco and red flake taco. Okay, 1 coat. I like that the flakes are irregular sized. Like there's a really big one over there, and there's some like medium ones over here, and then tiny ones. I like that there's different sizes. Well, these have kind of a strong scent compared to the regular polishes. That's interesting. People were saying that about the magnetic polishes, and I didn't smell it. But that I just smelled. Oh, that's a lot of flake. And that's just 1 coat. Okay, we'll do a second coat on those as soon as they dry a little bit. Okay, let's do our second coats. Oh, sorry, helicopter and dog. Yes, yip, we know. Everybody knows, Karen. That is a really saturated topper. Wow. That's really good. And then the silver. Quiet. Not as much saturation, but still very nice. It's really shiny for some reason. Very, very metallic-y. Almost reflective. Huh. Interesting. All right, so those are the 2 toppers and the new nail shelves. Thanks for watching.